Hello, hello. So we are back again with another day, another DIY. So time to find some items for the DIY. And here we go. Got these pieces of 3 branches, so let's work on it. And we are almost done with our stool. Just leave it for another 24 hours and then see the magic happen. As you can see, we are done with first coat of primer and a single coat of paint. So we are doing the final coat of paint now. So our stool is almost ready now. The top concrete portion has been waxed and the lace have been painted. Dun-dun-dun. यो रङ ल अब त प्यारापट जस्तो पो लाग्यो कि सो आई निड टु चेन्ज द कलर